I need a desk. You might know I'm rebuilding my entire workshop, starting with transforming this room into my dedicated office space. The goal is to create dedicated space that I can use to design my projects and edit my videos without any distraction from outside world. And for that, I need a good desk. Since I'm planning of spending a lot of hours working here, I need to prioritize my comfort. That's why standing desks seems like a pretty obvious choice. But standing desks can be really expensive. And I don't really want to spend too much money on this project. So instead, I'm gonna buy a cheaper frame off Amazon and build my own desktop. And it's going to have interesting twists to it. But first, let's assemble the frame. With frame out of the way, it is time to build the second part of the desk. Normally, when building a desktop, I would just glue up some 2x4s and call it a day. But I have a lot of leftover material from when I was building the fence, and I want to find a way to use it. The thickness of the material is a little bit above 1.5 centimeters, and that is just enough for me to be able to use it. Let me prepare this wood so I can show you what I have in mind. In order to be able to use these stripes, I need some kind of base to attach them to. That's where the MDF comes in.
Some things I never thought I needed. Some things I never thought I'd have. As if they are too hard to believe.